My name's Helen.
I'm Andy Sharp.
With Exodus, we've done about 16 or 17 trips. They've all been really, really enjoyable.
We've come to Andalucia.
It's somewhere that we actually haven't been before. And where we've been staying at the Cortijo, the food is just wonderful, and it's Spanish food, and it's fresh, and it's delicious.
Our leader, Michael, he's been excellent. He's so knowledgeable.
He's also been very caring. He's made sure that everybody is all right.
He's good fun to be with.
Yeah.
He's a good laugh. This week we went down and we saw Sentinel, which is a town built under the rock. The hiking here in Andalucia is, gorgeous. The views are so worth it.
You share experiences when you travel in a group. There's always people to talk to. You all eat and laugh and drink.
Have a good time.
It's fun.
Once we'd found Exodus and done the first couple of trips, we realised just how well they were organised, how good the leaders were.
They care about you. Exodus is a B Corp company. Well, that's a real draw. Don't hold back, book.